The Fairway of Coral Springs condominiums off Northwest 38th Drive took 2 days to start from bid approval and short of 4 weeks to complete. It was completed quickly despite having to contend with unpredictable weather during the process. Seacoast assembled a 20-person roofing crew to complete the project on time, which made a significant difference. Seacoast also used a private inspector to expedite the process, avoiding delays from the county. Seacoast has cultivated strong relationships with multiple suppliers and manufacturers, enabling us to receive priority service in part due to our quick payment. This strategic partnership approach ensures Seacoast customers get their materials expedited and delivered on time, without delays or additional fees. The Fairway of Coral Springs Condo Association decided upon Roser Stone wood shake in the weather timber color for the roof replacement. A true classic, the Roser Stone wood shake pairs the aesthetic beauty of the traditional wood shake with the low maintenance and exceptional performance of high-strength steel. Tested against the elements, stone wood shake by Roser has been tempered against hurricanes, fires, hailstorms, and earthquakes. It has proven its durability and protection for your most significant investment, your home or commercial condos. With only a fraction of the weight of stone, wood, or asphalt, a stone wood shake roof offers the classic beauty of wood while providing the strength of steel. The Fairway of Coral Springs community expressed elation and gratitude for the project's completion. Successfully coordinating with a single contractor to handle all the necessary trades allowed for a streamlined process. If your Southwest Florida home or condominiums require roof repair or replacement, you now have a sure resource by which you can be confident.